Welcome, skincare enthusiasts. Today we're uncovering the secret to revitalized youthful skin, Estée Lauder's Revitalizing Supreme. This cream isn't just another product on the shelf. Thanks to its IntuiGen technology and scientifically proven ingredients, it's a game changer. Imagine firmer skin in just 4 weeks. This potent blend boosts collagen and elastin production, making skin noticeably tighter. And it doesn't stop there. Say goodbye to fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Say hello to rejuvenated, younger-looking skin. Feel the deep moisturization. This lightweight, silky cream hydrates and revitalizes even the driest skin. By activating your skin's natural revitalization processes, it enhances overall skin health and texture for a smoother, more radiant complexion. And it's all thanks to Estée Lauder, the pioneering skincare brand with a reputation for excellence. So join the revolution. Elevate your skincare routine and discover a new level of confidence with Estée Lauder's Revitalizing Supreme. Here's to a radiant and vital skin journey. Visit the link for detailed review.